daily financial diary. Every time you spend, earn, or save, just pop it in here under the right category. The sheet will update your actuals automatically so you can compare what you planned versus what really happened. Over time, this tracker becomes a powerful reflection tool. As you enter data across weeks, the sheet starts creating interactive graphs for you. These visual summaries help you spot where your money is going, how well you're sticking to your budget, and where you can improve. Got debt? No worries. This planner has your back. The Debt Snowball Calculator lets you add up to 10 different debts. Just set your starting date and payment plans. You'll be able to see which debt is the most expensive and exactly when you'll be debt-free. Super motivating stuff. Lastly, we have the monthly dashboard, your personal finance control center. Here, you can see all weekly data summarized month-wise, spot patterns, and even track up to 12 personal financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, an emergency fund, or paying off a credit card, it's all right here.